Have you done these 2 petal flowers with the vertical top and bottom like this? Okay, great. Let's review. So we're going to do the left hand. Bottom and top and bottom, swing, top, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and last one, and come down. And now switch hands, and then with your other hand we're going to do the same drill. We'll start at the bottom again. Overhand. No, still overhand. Overhand. And then we'll go bottom to top to bottom to top to bottom to top, down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up, and last one down and up and come back down. And now we'll try it with both of them. So your hand that you just did, put on the bottom, the other hand put on the top, and then you're in split time with them in overhand, and then you switch them both and switch them both and switch them both and switch them both and switch them. Something just fell in my house. Wow. Like my house shook. So here we go. And with this hand, whichever one it is for you, and we'll go bottom to top and bottom, top, 3 and up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, and last one, go up, come back down, switch hands. We'll do the same drill with the other hand, underhand. Here we go, starting at the bottom, and here we go, bottom to top and bottom, top, bottom, top, and 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, and last one, up and down. Underhand, put whichever hand up you want, the other one down, and then let's do swing and pedal, swing, pedal, swing and pedal, swing and pedal, swing and pedal, swing and pedal, swing, 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 pedal, and down. Okay, and let's go from here into underhand weave. And then open up the weave, stall your right poi, stall your left poi, sweep back, come up to pinwheel and clockwise, split the time, come down into overhand weave on the right, move to underhand weave on the left, turn to overhand weave on the right, turn left to underhand, turn halfway to pinwheel, make it big for 3 and 2 and 1. Now this next time go big, but then turn left on the 360 and come back to the front and go 3 and 2 and 1. And now swing all the way around and back into pinwheel, and 3 and 2 and 1. And now here we go, swing all the way around, 360, and then last set, 3, 2 and 1. And now 360 turn, come back into pinwheel, clean shift it down, bring it down into corkscrew, come down, same time, tap on the right hip, up and over and tap on the left hip, up and over and tap on the right hip, up and over, tap on the left hip. Now turn to the right as you come up, over, around, and down, turn to the left, up, over, around, and down, turn to the right, up, over, around, and down, and back to the left, up, over, down, and now add the jump as you turn to the right, and then turn to the left with the jump, and turn to the right with the jump, and turn to the left with the jump, and then come back into clockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up to pinwheel, turn right to giant, 4, 3, 2, 1, come down to circles, same time, and cap for 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we're gonna turn left, underhand cap for 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn right to overhand cap for 4, 3, 2, 1, turn left to underhand cap, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do it in pairs. So turn right and go twice, 1 and 2, and turn, and 1 and 2, and turn, 1 and 2, and now turn this time, 1 and 2, and now turn this time, 1 and 2, and turn, and 1 and turn, and cap, turn, cap, turn, cap, turn, cap, turn, cap, turn, and to underhand on the left side, and the underhand weave on the left, and turn right to overhand weave. Step your left foot forward, do a right turn 360, do a left turn 360, do a right turn 360, do a left turn 360, and come into overhand here,